Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is so good to have you here. Every couple of months you'll find a post in the community asking about read-only access for a certain kind of user. Since the solution isn't obvious, most assume you need to build a fancy new ACL paradigm. Now, if your alarm bells are ringing, they should be. ACLs are a powerful tool, but should be reserved for when absolutely necessary. And besides, ServiceNow has a plugin built exactly for this called Read Only User Role. You can find it in your plugins list under com.snc.readonly.role, which allows you to apply the SNC Read Only role. This role is special because it's applied on top of other roles to restrict them down to read-only. This matters because it allows you to have several read-only use cases. Someone need access to incident, problem, and change tables in a read-only capacity? Give them ITIL and SNC read-only. Someone need project task, demand, cost plan, etc.? Give them IT project user and SNC read-only. Now, you never ever want to be assigning roles to users directly. So what I do is I create a group called ServiceNow Read-Only Users, grant that group the SNC Read-Only role, and add the users to that group, and whatever other groups grant them access. Some things to consider. Once you give the user the SNC read-only role, they have the read-only applied to all their access. You can modify some tables to globally override SNC read-only via these three system properties that are installed with the plugin. This is an effective solution that's 1000% more preferable to going down the ACL rabbit hole. Now, sometimes you want to get information to non-licensed users, but don't want to give them general read-only access anywhere. This is true in many cases for auditors or compliance resources who are only looking at subsets of the entire table or process. Look at this failed change report we built at VividCharts. You feed this report a query and it outputs one page per record in the query. The artifact is available to the Everyone role and is exportable to either PDF and PowerPoint with pixel-perfect fidelity. That's two ways to facilitate read-only access on the ServiceNow platform without heavy customization. Do you want your message in front of the best ServiceNow admins, developers, architects, and product owners in the business? Want a conversation about your ServiceNow strategy and architecture? You can reach me via my website at www.theduke.digital. If you want to contribute to high-frequency, high-quality ServiceNow content, all you need to do is
feed the algorithm
with likes, shares, and comments. Thanks for watching.